This is a 20,000 mAh power bank, which I made using scrap laptop batteries. It features 2 output USB ports, so you can simultaneously charge 2 phones, while on the go, giving it a dual functionality. It also features a USB charging port to charge it up, and a flashlight, which means this power bank can help you in the dark. And it was made for as low as under $10. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make your own 20,000 mAh power bank from scratch. Make sure you stick around to the end to find out every detail. And also, before we start, please do us a favor, hit that subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Once you've done that, let's begin. So the first things we'll need are all that is left is to simply fit the front covering I made onto the already prepared inserts, and our homemade 20,000 mAh power bank is ready. Now let's talk about the making cost of this power bank relative to other power banks. This power bank cost about $2 for the batteries because we bought 2 old laptop battery packs and each of them was about $1. And another $2.57 for the module. And then other materials like PVC and glue, which were pretty cheap, cost about $1. So in total, this power bank cost about $5.57 to make, while regular 20,000 mAh power bank will cost about 10,990 naira to 15,000 naira, about $14.23 to $19.55. This gives a much cheaper option and it gives you the proud status of I made it myself. As always guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see how I made this 18650 battery charger, which I use in charging those batteries, click this video here. Or if you want to see how I fix this problem of missing solar pad, click this video here. I'll see you in the next video.